Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Today's the final episode on the budget IS250 build. We're going to be breaking up our normal routine and not doing our introduction from the garage today. We're going to be taking the IS on the road, letting you see how it looks rolling with the modified suspension, basically the coilovers that we did, the wheels. We got the new headlights in, fog lights. We did the front lip, tinted windows. That you see how the exhaust sounds and everything like that. So basically that you see the full package. I know we normally don't get to take the cars out on the road, but this way you can actually see how one of them looks stretched out on the highway. If you do stick around to the end, we will have the full video on the headlight install, fog lights, and the exhaust. So stick around to that if you want to see basically how that was put in and everything like that. But right now let's do a walk around and see everything that we did to this build. So if you've been watching our channel, you know one of the first episodes we do what we do best is basically modify the suspension, give it a nice stance. And this one we did the low budget coilover kit. And then on the same episode, we added a set of staggered aerodons. I'll have all the details down below if you want to know what wheel and tire fitment package we used. On the front, since headlights were foggy, we ended up swapping them out. We tried color sanding, buffing them. It didn't work. They were kind of crazed on the inside, so it was easier just getting eBay special, swapping them out with projector headlights, amber fog lights. I thought the amber ones set it off. Since the car's silver, it gave it a little bit of pop of color. And then the original front spoiler was cracked, so we swapped that out. Next thing, we tinted the windows, gives the car a nice look. Cuts down on a lot of the sun and stuff like that, keeps the car cooler. We visited Dee's garage like we do on all our cars here. I'll have a link down below. Last two things, exhaust, Mike's mufflers. You know we use the Mike's mufflers for the white 5 series, the W211, red C10, black vinyl wrap plates. We did a full video on that. I'll have a link down below to 5150. All right, time to swap out the fog lights. If your car's like this one, it's got rock chips and everything, you can just lay the bumper cover down on its face. If your paint's nice, follow my other videos. You know me, I normally lay out like a nice moving blanket or this and that to protect the paint. But again, pretty much it's a one tool install for everything. 10 mil. Pop out the factory fog lights. It's one screw, and they just have little pins that locate them besides the one screw. So I'll pop these out. That one's pretty much falling out. So just once you pull out the 10 mil, just pry the little locators out and wiggle it out of its way. Try not to break these little pins. You want to make sure that you still have these locators or the pins in the bumper cover for the next one to go in. And then we could toss the next one in. Pull the plastic off. We're gonna have to use reuse the speed clip, so let me pull this off. This one didn't come with speed clips. So let me pull these off. And then we could take the other one off, do the same. Put the screw back in. Alright, just flip it over, make sure that the fog lights look nice and square in the holes. To me it looks good. And this is what I was saying with the ambers. To me they give it a nice pop of color, because it's a silver bumper. It's kind of I mean, silver's nice, but it could be a very blah color. Like basically no color at all. It's very muted color, and that gives it a pop. So let's pop the bumper cover back on. We'll plug in the fog lights, test them out, pop the bumper cover back on, and button all this up. All right, so that wraps this up. Besides getting a replacement lip for the bottom, which when I had gotten the car was already cracked. So order a new replacement lip, have it color matched, and toss that on. It pretty much completes the outside. We'll tint the windows, get exhaust, and that pretty much complete this build. Let me pull it outside, give you a once over, and then we'll take it to get exhaust. I don't know if we'll incorporate that into this video, but we'll definitely do the tinted windows on this and give you a full once over of the full look. And maybe we'll do the exhaust as a before and after, this way you can hear what the car sounds like before exhaust and after exhaust, and maybe some pulls and stuff like that. All right, so that pretty much wraps up this video. That wraps up this build. Let me know down below if you like the new format. We were able to get out of the garage. You got to see some cool rollers on this, so comment down below if you like this new format. Also, if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe down below. Really helps us out a lot, and we'll see you on the next build.